driving in the farmland USA, right in the cornfield, of course. Lots of cornfield in Indiana. We are heading to ASEAN, Indiana? Like, oh, right there, ASEAN, Indiana. There you go, dude. ASEAN, Indiana. It's a small, I would say a city, but it's a small city. But, I mean, it's really nice, peaceful, but we're just driving through. Let's go ahead and get some nice new construction, new buildings. But we are gonna be heading or passing through downtown. Alright, let's reduce our speed. Alright, they got their cemetery. ASEAN, Indiana. We're heading downtown. We're gonna go pass through downtown. We probably have to park a little bit just to see what's going on. Alright. Elementary school, ASEAN Elementary School. Right there. We'll park over here. Just inside the car. That's all we need. Because why? It's really hot. It's like 89 degrees right now. Cheer. Yep. That's their church right there. I was gonna say church immediately. I'm not sure if it's a church or not. But anyway, yeah. Let's move on a little bit. It's a small town, but grooming for what? Something. Alright, let's go move. Oh, it's a Presbyterian church. Alright. Let's just stay in the car because Mulvey Chiropractic. That's not a bad place. Let's put this is downtown ASEAN. It's like that commercial ASEAN furnitures. Alright. Let's move over there. It's a small town. They have their own cafe and all that. Alright, let's see. Alright, not there. Alright, let's go forward. I think that's about it. This is it. Oh my, but it's a beautiful town. I can't call it a city, but it's just a town. Let's head up north. There's ASEAN, and then they have their own, you know. All right, guys, that's it. That's ASEAN. It's not a long, I can't make a long video because you got ASEAN furniture. You got the Dollar General and another Chicago's Pizza, East Chicago, egg roll, all that. That's it. We're heading back. Alright, see you guys. Enjoy that video. Don't forget to subscribe. Well, I'm sorry. You have to see the farmland ASEAN. It's huge. That's their that is their what they call this, attraction. The corn and all that. Look at that, all the corn. All that corn. Oh my. It's a Fun Run USA. Whoa! Easy there, brother. It's only 45. Yeah, look at that. You got some Amish here, I think. Yeah, man. This is ASEAN. Look at that, all corn land with corn. Well, that's about it. Alright, guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. We'll see you.